Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy smoked chicken recipe that you're going to die for. It's going to be incredible, super simple, only 4 real steps involved in this, and we're going to do it right here on the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx Edition. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, let's get started. Here we have 2 chicken leg quarters. So this is the leg attached to the thigh on both sides of the bird. You can a lot of times find these exactly like this in your grocery store, in your meat department. For our purposes today, I actually bought a full bird and just took these sections off. So we're gonna do a simple method. I'm calling it the 4S method. We're going to season them, smoke them, sauce them, and scarf them down. So we'll start with our seasoning. And today for my seasoning, I'm using the ever popular Pit Boss all-purpose GSP rub. That's garlic, salt, and pepper. This is a brilliant, just all-purpose rub. Great on burgers, chicken, seafood, really anything that you want to have that nice base layer of delicious seasoning on. So we're just gonna come in with a decent amount of this. Just pat that on, like so. And notice the skin is on here. You know, as I'm doing this, I'm thinking, why don't I go ahead and just score these a little bit? So we'll kind of do, this is gonna help the skin to crisp up as well, but also help our seasoning to absorb. All right, give it a little bit more seasoning there. Then we'll go ahead and flip these over, season that other side. That GSP smells so good. Now, if you don't have this particular blend, obviously just use salt, pepper, garlic. All right, easy as that. Seasoning done. Now let's get to smoking. All right, now just a few things to know about smoking chicken, especially if you're smoking it with the skin on. Skin is gonna have a tendency to become sort of rubbery when you smoke it. So you wanna make sure that you're smoking at a pretty high temperature on your pellet grill. So for me today, that temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I know what you're thinking, super high temperature, will it even get any of that smoke flavor? Absolutely it will, I promise. And at that temperature, probably about a half hour or so until these are ready for the 3rd step in the 4S method. So we seasoned, let's smoke them. All right, we're gonna go right here. Nice little sizzle there, skin side up. And now we wait. All right, it's been about a half hour. Let's just give these a little check to see where we are. All right, they're coming along nicely. Let's get a little temperature check. All right, this guy is about 155, about 147. So we still got a little bit of ways to go. Move them a little closer to one another. And I'm gonna give it probably another 10 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna come back out and we're going to sauce these delicious looking chicken quarters. See you in about 10 minutes. All right, another 10 minutes have come and gone. Let's take a look. Woo-wee. Boy, that looks good. Go ahead and do a little temp check. 170 there. 176, yep. So technically these are ready right now, but we still have another S, and that is just sauce. So today I'm using the Kinder's hot barbecue sauce. You don't have to use this brand, you could use whatever kind of brand you like, but for this recipe, make sure it's got a little bit of heat for it. You know, you owe it to yourself. I'm just gonna come right on top, just like that. And grab my brush, just brush that on there. I can smell it already. A little more here. Never have too much sauce, right? All right, now we'll leave that to bake for about another 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to take them off and try it. All right, and here we go. Woo, look at that. Look at that beautiful color on there. And then right here at the end, just for a little prettiness, let's do a little bit of dried parsley on top. There you have it. Whew, it smells incredible. The color on there is to die for. I love the pull back a little bit off the bone. That just tells you that skin is tightened up and it's nice and delicious. All right, it's time to dig in to this amazing looking chicken. One thing I did forget to mention earlier is what kind of pellets I was using today. Today I was using the Pit Boss Cherry Blend pellets. I love cherry wood on chicken. It's kind of a lighter smoke flavor, but still gives it exactly that kiss of smoke that we really want. So that's what I was using today. But now back to this. It is time to taste this incredible looking chicken. Falls right off the bone. Super delicious looking. Here we go. Smoked hot barbecue chicken leg quarters. Oh, holy smokes. Oh, holy smokes. That skim. That skim is crispy. That Pit Boss all-purpose GSP rub, perfect. Perfect. We had the perfect amount. I'm getting those notes of garlic, salt and pepper, combined with that heat from the barbecue sauce, out of this world. Hey, you saw how easy this was, right? We did the season, the smoke, the sauce, and now we're scarfing. That's what it's all about. Chicken quarters are a pretty inexpensive cut of meat, so you can, like I said, usually find them at your grocery store. So I want to encourage you to go out, find some, and cook them just like this. Well, hey, thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, all you got to do is give us a little thumbs up. It costs nothing to do that, and it helps support the channel by helping other people find us. Click the subscribe button so that you're one of the first people to know as soon as we post new outdoor cooking content. And for more chicken recipes that we've done here on the channel, check out this chicken playlist of some of my favorite things that we've done here with chicken on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and I will see you next time.